Andrew L. recently asked us to elaborate on W sometimes being a vowel, as Marie points out in her handy guide to spelling rules. He and his friends hadn't heard of W being a vowel before. It's an excellent question, Andrew, and to help me answer it, I've brought us here to Plum Forest Farm. You'll see why in just a moment. We normally think of the vowels as being A, E, I, O, and U. Or perhaps you've learned them as being A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, as in the word happy, where the Y basically means an E sound, happy. W falls into this same sometimes category. It's what's called a semi-vowel. That's why Marie includes it in her list of vowels. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y and W. So how can W be both a consonant and a vowel? The key lies in our ear. For example, since we have such lovely weather today on the farm, say the word weather out loud with me. If you listen, you can hear how the W in weather sounds like, well, a W. 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 Weather. In this case, the W is acting as a consonant. When a W comes at the beginning of a word or syllable, it acts as a consonant. Now I'm going to take some of these apples to go and feed some friends. I'm coming. I know you like these old apples. There you go. There's plenty for everyone. Let me introduce you to some friends. This is Blackberry, and this is Fred. They're Scottish Highland cattle, and they're going to help me show you when W actually acts as a vowel. Ready? Say this word out loud. Even if there are people around you, say it out loud and listen. Cow. Do you hear how the W in cow actually makes an oo sound? Cow. I haven't forgotten about you, Fred. Nor you, Blackberry. In fact, say this entire interrogative sentence out loud. How now, brown cow? If you listen, you'll hear how each of those W's actually makes an oo sound. How, now, brown cow. Here's a couple more. There you go. If we were to write out the sound that the W makes in those 4 words, we might write 2 U's. Ooh. Now notice how the letter W is actually called a double U. The letter itself, the name of the letter itself, shows us something about its semi-vowel nature. One for you, and one for you, and why not? Isn't that interesting? It might even make us say, wow, which is the easiest way I know to remember that when W comes at the beginning of a syllable or word, it makes a consonant sound. And when it comes after a vowel, toward the end of a word or syllable, it makes a vowel sound. Wow. All right. Yes, you've been very helpful. Ah, there you are. I wanted to give you some too. This little one is Thunder. That one back there, I don't know if you can see him, that's Robin. Thank you, Andrew, for your excellent question. And did you notice your name itself is an excellent example? Andrew with a double oo. If you have a question about grammar, punctuation, spelling, or essay writing, send it to us on our website, cozygrammar.com. We'd be glad to hear from you. You with a single U.